How to turn on subtitles on Paramount Plus on iPhone, iPad, or Android. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on subtitles or closed caption onto your Paramount Plus if you're having a device such as iPhone, Android, or iPad. It's actually the same process. So, of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do before you go ahead and pull up Paramount Plus application on your phone is to make sure that you're using the updated version of the app. Just head straight into Google Play Store and look for Paramount Plus. On this one, if it's not available right here, then you can actually download it via an APK version for you to be able to obtain the latest version. So next is you go ahead and pull up the application. And then once you pull it up, make sure that you have successfully logged it in. Now, a very simple way of doing this is via on a current streaming movie, or if you're currently playing on a certain movie that you would like to watch, you can actually see the chat bubble or the option here for you to be able to tweak the settings around Paramount Plus. Once you tap that, just go into subtitles and then just simply choose on off or on. And once you have it on, choose on your preferred language and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you turn on subtitles on Paramount Plus on iPhone, iPad, or Android.